Good morning, children. I hope you are hale and hearty at your homes. Now, today let us study grammar topic past perfect tense. Before beginning with the topic, through the technique of PKA, that is previous knowledge activation, let us recall tenses. As you all know, there are three kinds of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Each tense has four different forms. First is simple or indefinite. Second is continuous. Third is perfect. And the fourth one is perfect continuous. Now, let us come to our topic past perfect tense. Let us begin with some examples. Number 1. I had already eaten breakfast when my brother arrived. Second, he had switched off the television before he went to sleep. Third, you had studied English before you moved to New Delhi. So in each sentence you can see clearly that there are two actions taking place. After the first action got completed, it was followed by another action in the past. So now let us discuss the action that completed before and the action that completed later on. First sentence, had eaten. Had eaten is the action. Already is the time phrase used here. And the action that took place later is arrived. In the second sentence, the action that completed before is had switched. And the action that followed it, that was went. And in the third sentence, the action that completed before had studied, and it was followed by the action moved. So all those actions means those actions that got completed before and were followed by the actions in the past later on. They are said to be in the past perfect tense. And all those actions that followed the previous actions, they are reported in the simple past tense. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's come to the formation of past perfect tense, discussing the structure, the usage and the time phrases used. Let us take the example of root verb go. So in the structure of past perfect tense, we use had, and along with had we use V3 form of the verb. V3 form of the verb is the past participle form of the verb. So in the tabular format of the verbs, you must have really come across the three forms of the verbs: present, past and past participle. If we discuss the root verb go, it is go, present, and then past it is went, and past participle is gone. Go, went, gone. So we have to pick up only the third form, that is the past participle form of the verb go. That is, it will be had, gone. Now come to the usage. So past perfect tense is used when the action, any action, was completed at a certain point of time. That could be indicated directly in the sentence or indirectly, or it was followed by another action in the past. Got it? Time phrases used for the formation of past perfect tenses. Past perfect tense, they are by, before, until, already. Now consider this sentence. They had finished the interview by 11:30 a.m. Now here the action was completed before a given moment in the past, and that given moment is directly indicated by 11:30 a.m. And so it becomes an example of past perfect tense. This past moment may be indicated directly or by another past event. Note, or the points to be remembered. First is past perfect tense is not used to express a single action in the past. Now let us consider this example. We had gone to zoo on Sunday. Is it the correct usage, children? No, it's wrong. Why? Because it's a single action and it's not followed by any time phrase or any another action in the past. Rather, it should be we went to zoo on Sunday. So it becomes an example of simple past, not the past perfect tense. Second point to be remembered is, this is very, very important. It is often used with expressions like already, before, or till. These are the time phrases. Already I had told you this just now only, isn't it? Example is, our plane had already taken off. So here it is indirectly pointed out. Already is the time phrase, had taken is the verb, so it is an example of past perfect. Now come to the exercise given below. Exercise says, rewrite the following sentences using the past perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. First, by midnight all the guests leave. So how will we rewrite it? By midnight all the guests had left. By is the time phrase here, by midnight. Okay. She wished she utilized her time more sensibly. Utilize is given in the bracket. She wished she had utilized her time more sensibly. Third one, someone clearly explain, it's given in the bracket, the route to you before you started from your house. It's interrogation. So it will begin with had. Had someone clearly explained the route to you before you started from your house. This completes the session on past perfect tense. Hope you would have understood it. Thank you.